questions that we have been recently asked. What is trending? What is the best nail I can wear at the moment in this season? Currently, it is very much popular to wear a nude clear sheer nail. A lot of customers, especially for myself in my salon, are going towards the neutral, natural, clean, beautiful nail. Basically, all of these colors are a translucent, silky finish. We have Je T'aime, which is virtually a skin tone, neutral beige / baby pink tone. Very natural. You can use it on its own or with a French. I personally love this color by itself. It's just a clean, ultra shine finish. Alive, which comes in our French kits. It has a dash of pink, very clean look, and just a beautiful overall finish. Whether you have short neutral nails for work or whether you prefer that nice almond look if you do like to grow your nails. The cover, which is a milky soft white with a dash of pink. This color does have a little bit of translucency, but it basically is like a milky soft whitish pink. White silk, which is like a translucent silky white finish. Ballerina is also one of our best sellers, which is a nude clear baby pink. All of these colors have a beautiful finish.